This 2.5-story, 5-bedroom, all-brick Century home has beautiful original character and amazing opportunity. Located just 1 block from downtown Caledonia, Centennial Elementary School, and Kinsmen Park, with baseball diamonds, tennis courts, a splash pad, and of course, breathtaking views of the Grand River. Situated on a massive 74 by 305 foot deep property with a 25 by 32 foot double garage and workshop, and a stunning backyard oasis with in-ground pool and hot tub. I'm Kevin Gerard with the Gerard team at Royal LePage. Welcome to 94 Sutherland Street West.